Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. It's very nice to meet you again. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a multi-purpose bag. Well, I usually sketch first and then break down the project into panels. But for this project, I just followed the patchwork block size I had. This is called the pinwheel, and I plan to make the tutorial for the pinwheel for my next upload. But now, before I start making the multi-purpose bag, please support my channel by put your thumb up and leave your comment below, and of course if you haven't subscribed yet, just push the subscribe button, and don't forget to push the notification button so you will get notification if I upload the new video. Okay, thank you. Let's get started. Here the main supplies I used. For the lining, I use a piece of fabric. For the dimension and all the supplies, I will write on my description. And this is 2 blocks of pinwheel I had before. Okay, these are another kind of fabric. These 2 fabrics I will use it as holder for the straps, and for the straps itself I will use ropes. This is for the base of the bag. First, I will join all the fabric for the lining, so the dimension will match with the main exterior. Okay, fold in a half, and before we stitch the edges, we have to make some fold also for the base, and of course in the stitching of the edges, don't forget to make some part unsewn for the opening. Okay, now we will make a main exterior. I already stitched the edges of the block, but now I will add the fabric for the base, and well, we just put it on the lower part of the block and sew it. Do for the both side of the main exterior. Fold the fabric for the base and stitch it. And then turn the inside out. Now we will make a holder for the straps, and just fold in a half the fabric and stitch it with the small seam allowance. And turn the inside out and make top stitches with the very small seam allowance on two ends of the fabric. The holder of the strap is ready, and now we will put it on the main exterior. Just make sure that to make a small V or small cuts for marking the center of the parts. Fold the holder, pin it, and then just sew it. The same process for the other side of the back. Put the main exterior into the lining. Put right side together and then pin it. And now make a mark for the curve, and it's about 3 centimeters below the top side of the back. Okay, now we will show it. Just follow the mark and top stitch all around the edges. Cut the seam and also make a small cuts for the curves. Then turn the inside out and don't forget to stitches to close the opening. Make it neat and top stitches all around the edges. Now time to put the ropes inside the holder, and here I use a safety pin, the big one, to slide the rope inside the holder. Okay, for the finishing, I make a knot and then I make a macrame to make the tip of the tip of the rope hidden, so it will look nice and neat. Okay, it's done, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put your thumb up and leave your comment below. See you in my next tutorial. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, see you, bye.